Believe it or not, one of the most common questions I get asked about Twitter is, what's a retweet? So in this video, I'm going to answer that and show you how to do it, and that's coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning into my channel, the #1 place to stay up to date with everything that's happening in the world of social media. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and tick the little bell icon. That way you won't miss out on any of my weekly videos. So here we are on my Twitter profile, Mark Warnken, and in this video we're going to explain to everyone what is a retweet and how do we actually retweet. It can be a bit of a tongue twister just saying that alone. So here is my profile. These are all the tweets that I've been posting and I'm tweeting over the last few days, and it's all of these icons down the bottom. These are the type of things that people can start engaging with your post. So they can add an extra comment, that type of thing. They can like the post. They can send it. This one is a direct message. The one over here on the other side, you can see your tweet analysis. But it's this one here that it looks like the arrows going around in a circle, left and right. So that's the retweet button. So anyone viewing my Twitter profile can retweet some of my content. Let me go to my homepage and actually show you how to do that on some brand new tweets. So scrolling through my news feed, this is the homepage for me on Twitter. Various information coming through. So let me find something that we can retweet that catches my eye. And here's a story about a rugby league player that's going to be switching from rugby league to rugby union. So I can like that tweet as I just explained and add a comment. But if I just want to forward that on again, I click the retweet here and I can retweet it directly like that, or I can click below and I can add another comment to it. So let's add a comment as well. And I've just added, he will be a big loss to the Warriors. That's the New Zealand Warriors rugby league team that he plays for. And it's that simple, and you just click tweet, and I have retweeted that. So if I go back to my profile, it should be appearing on my profile as a tweet as well. So here we go. He will be a big loss to the Warriors, and that was the original Fox News tweet on the rugby league player. Let me now go show you how you do exactly the same via your mobile tablet or your iPhone device as well. And here we are now on my iPad. Once again, that was that tweet, that retweet that I just did before again about the rugby league player. So if I click on the home page again and go to my news feed, we've got some stories on the Olympics. The Olympic Games are set to begin in 6 months in July. I've got all of these options down the bottom here again. So let's go to retweet that one again. So it's asking me now a few different options. Want to read the article first? You're about to share an article you haven't opened on Twitter. So the idea, what they're trying to do here is Twitter are trying to get us to engage more with the articles before we're just retweeting them. So you can just still retweet the article, which is like sending it on to someone else, but we can also quote the tweet again. So I like to add something whenever I'm sharing it. It's like, think of it this way, it's like sharing a text message, sharing something on Facebook, sharing a story the old-fashioned way. They're wanting us to sort of engage. That's why they're suggesting add a comment. So let's add a comment on the Olympic Games. So I've just added some extra comments. Fingers crossed for everyone, they go ahead this year. Remembering last year, the Olympic Games in Japan and Tokyo were cancelled due to COVID. So again, top right, we just press tweet. My tweet was sent. So let's go back to my profile and we can view that on my profile as well. We refresh the screen and here we go. Fingers crossed for everyone, they go ahead this year. So there we go. That's how simple it is to retweet. Some of the messaging or some of the thought behind it is you're just sharing a story, you're forwarding on an email. These are some of the vernaculars that we know. It's the same type of thing, sharing a story, sending an email, sharing something on Facebook, that type of thing. Nice and simple and quick and easy. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video on Twitter informative, entertaining and helpful, and I have explained to you what a retweet is and how to do it. As I said at the start, it's one of the most commonly asked questions, and I did a little bit of research online and there are lots and lots of people who weren't quite sure what that is. So as always, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell icon. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well and send me a message. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. And of course, if you're watching it on any of my other social platforms, give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, a share, you know what to do, all of those type of things. And send me a message as well. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off. I look forward to seeing you again real soon in another one of my videos.